In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to a cold wallet. Start by signing into your Binance account. From the dashboard, go to Wallet, then click Fiat and Spot. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and click Withdraw. After that, open your cold wallet, such as a hardware wallet, and find your receive address for the specific cryptocurrency. Make sure you select the correct network that matches your wallet, such as BTC network for Bitcoin or ERC20 for Ethereum, depending on what your wallet supports. Now copy your cold wallet address carefully. Next, return to Binance and paste the address into the withdrawal field. Double-check every character to make sure it is correct, because crypto transactions cannot be reversed. After that, select the correct network again on Binance and enter the amount you want to send. For example, you can transfer 0.01 BTC or any amount you prefer. Now review the withdrawal details, including the network fee and final amount, then click Withdraw. Next, complete the security verification steps, such as email confirmation, SMS code, or Google Authenticator approval. Finally, wait for blockchain confirmation. Once completed, open your cold wallet app or device and verify that the funds have arrived successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer crypto from Binance to a cold wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.